Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the wrapper function. Now, what is the wrapper function? Let me explain. Modules, they aren't treated the same as non-modules. These modules, they are actually put inside of a function. So the entire module, this thing, like whatever's inside, will be put inside of a function. Now, this function will have these few variables. Now, let me just write it out for you. So here we have something like this. We're gonna write a function, and this will all make sense in a bit. Inside this function, we'll have these arguments, exports, comma,
You don't know.
require, comma, module. Finally, we have the last two, which is underscore file name, like so, and underscore here name, like so. Now we're gonna save this, and we're gonna do this, a body. Now we're gonna put all our code inside of this body, and it's looking just fine. Now, you might start to see a bit of similarities. As you can see, this function has the exports like variable, and that's because this function is called the module wrapper. This is basically what your code goes through before it gets to this main page. This happens indirectly. So like this entire get a function, like it's behind the code. They just made it easier for you, so you don't have to write this every time you create a module. Now, one thing to note is that you can write this. Exports is basically exports dot, like let's suppose log or add is equal to add. You can do this, but you can't do exports is equal to add. Right now it's not giving an error, but the problem is that this exports is not actually module.exports like we see here. Exports is actually just a reference to module.exports. So this is only referring to module.exports. But you can't actually do exports is equal to add, because what it will do is it will change the exports. Instead of being referred to module.exports, now it will be referred to add. So if that makes any sense, that's why you can't do exports is equal to add directly. You have to do exports dot, variable name is equal to add. Now, that will be all for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.